Um, Today is June 14, 2024. All right, so interesting that we have a divergence in SnP versus NQ, where SnP is making lower lows and lower highs, while NQ is holding after that gap. It rejected value here. You can see that we attempted to get into the previous day's value and rejected. Same thing overnight. We have a double distribution now. So I'm gonna be looking for today to see if we're opening outside of value, but inside yesterday's range. So the first thing that I'm gonna be looking at is, do we get above 54.22? And if we do and accept above 54.22, I'll be looking for the value area rule and a travel back to the point of control at 54.38, and then value area high, and then an attempt to break the highs for the last couple of days and then make new highs. And my target on the upside is 54.72. Where did I get 54.72? Well, very simple. I merged these two profiles and I see that the point of control is up here. I calculated from the point of control to the low and I estimated this as a target. If we get this target, then we're gonna have a balance profile up here. So that's how I got my target. You can see the point of control is right there, 54, 40 or 42, right? So now if we cannot get above value area low and it keeps rejecting value, then I'm gonna look for a break of yesterday's low, for an attempt to short into the gap fill at 53.86, and then either look for a bounce. And this is gonna be crucial because we're gonna be trading inside the previous week's range, and if we are trading here, then the big magnet is gonna be down here because this is where previous longer term value is, right? Like this is short term value, longer term value. So the question is, where are we gonna accept prices? Are we gonna accept up here or come back into this previous value where price was accepted? This is 53.67 is the 20-day point of control, the monthly VWAP. So this is a magnet here if we accept below 53.85. Now, because Nasdaq is so much more bullish and the bulls are still in control, this is my secondary scenario, right? I'm expecting this bulls to defend this area, but that's a scenario I'm looking into as well, right? Rollover week could be weird, so expect. We started seeing some of that yesterday. As soon as we were trying to break, it looked like it was gonna go one way. Then we see a rip of 6, 7, 8 points. All of a sudden, tons of positive delta. So I would, I'll be very careful because today and next week, you're gonna start seeing the back month get a lot of volume and setups don't work as well as usual. So this next week will be a good week to take off. Probably today was gonna be a weird day to trade with weird price action. Not weird, but typically from rollover week. We're already trading above around over let me see, maybe like a third of the volume is in the back month. maybe a little more than that, but so just be aware of that. Inventory, overnight inventory is about maybe 90% short. So if we, it's the same scenario. The close is right where the point of control is. So looking for correction of inventories there. So we just would need to go through this area where we had sellers and we run some stops during the overnight session. Okay, so crude oil, you can see we're still in the same range. So shorts in this 80 area. We have the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average right there. So at 79, what is this? 79.60. So shorts around that area back to the 78, 79 area, and longs from 76.60 back into 78. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at today. It seems like it caught a bid during the overnight session. You can see that I had an order waiting at 77.27, but I didn't get filled. It would have been a nice rally from here. But we're, the same trades keep working in oil. And last but not least, gold went back to the point of control. Same thing. Gold is in a range, but gold is a little bit of it's all over the place. I mean, it looks like sellers found strong sellers above here, but now they're defending this the low of the range. So same thing. Shorts around here, longs around 2300. Today we also have some inflation numbers, and we have some Fed speaking. And Monday, remember, it's a holiday, correct? If I'm not mistaken. Is it? No. Is Monday a holiday? Somebody in the chat? No, I don't know why I thought it was a holiday. Oh, Juneteenth is a holiday. It's the 19th of June, but I don't know if we have markets, and I have to check that. Anyway, I think that's about it for today. But I'm still looking at a move back into the point of control up here. So good luck, and remember, rollover week is weird. Protect your profits, and if you're up for the week, go take a walk, go do something else. You don't need to trade every day. Market's gonna be here next week, and good luck.